blue strips, don't need a blue check, and know that I'm verified. I don't be talking no internet money. Let's shit verified. Pull up in front of it, all white.
Hey, what's up, family? This is John Reed, Reed Family Baking, and today we are on the Reed Family Baking Show, where we are talking with local artists and or business owners and figuring out what they've been doing most recently. And of course, you know, we had to bring Khyran Shank on. We actually worked together earlier for a previous video. If you haven't watched it, check it out.
I got a question. How the you feel this?
He's about to release his short film by the name of Shank's Reign. So if you haven't checked it out, we're gonna show you a little trailer midway through this video. But Khyran Shank.
What's good, everybody? What's good, baby?
What's good, bro?
And welcome to be part of the show. Thank you so much, man. You know what I'm saying? The first show that we ever did together was dope.
Yes,
and you know, you're doing big things, baby. And I love it. I love it. Even though I don't like sweets, but you know, you made me eat them.
Well, this one's not on the sweet side necessarily. This has got a lot of chocolate. So we actually doing a s'mores dip. It's like a party favor just for like anybody that's actually gonna be watching the trailer all together or the short film when it released. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's do it, baby.
So we have our cream cheese. It's been at room temperature. Our mini chocolate chips. I kind of mixed in some regular chocolate chips. You'll figure out why in a second. Pinch of salt, powdered sugar. Got our vanilla. This is marshmallow puff. Some more chocolate chips and graham crackers. Marshmallows. Gotta have marshmallows. So as I'm taking these out, I'm gonna have Shank open one.
Yeah.
We actually gonna ask him a few questions just to get to know him a little bit more and figure out why he was doing his Shank's Reign. So without further ado,
Actually, bro, you wanna know a fun fact?
what's up?
Bro, I hate chocolate.
No.
Like,
For real?
like this is why I love chocolate. But no, like that serious, and I don't know why. For some reason, if any kind of chocolate, you know, shit is made, and if it's slightly good, I may eat it. I don't know, you know, I may go into a coma, who knows, but you know.
Bro, you starting off struggling already.
Bro, struggling. This is why I don't cook, y'all.
And
Whoa, wait.
you don't
I cook.
No.
I do.
Well, we're just gonna ask this question first. Like, so what got you to come up with Shank's Reign? Like, what was the whole thought process behind that?
Well, you know, like many great songs and great artists, you know, we all go through some heartbreak. Yeah, look, don't laugh at that shit. But seeing this chick, you know, long story short, she broke a nigga heart. She broke a brother heart, and
We all been there.
yeah. But you know, it kind of got me into a bag, or in my writing bag, that like I've never seen that side of me before as an artist, and it was dope. I mean, if I was to see her today, I mean, I would honestly say thank you though, because like I said, she made me write one of the best pieces of work, you know, I've ever done, in my opinion.
So we are softening the cream cheese, so it's workable. You can work with it.
Oh, don't mind me.
Basically, like after this, you're gonna put in your powdered sugar, and like honestly, like this is quick and easy. $20. Like you can really throw this together in 10 minutes. Honestly, the longest time you're waiting is in the fridge. So we mixed up the cream cheese just a little bit. We're gonna actually start with our powdered sugar.
Put my finger in it.
No. And then we're gonna continue to mix it up a little bit. So was Shank's Reign like real? Like you mean to tell me like this really happened, bro? Cause I'm still processing. Like you said, oh, this girl broke your heart. You don't seem like the type to get your heart broken.
Oh man, damn. Well, it definitely was real. Everything that I said in that song, you know, which I'm pretty sure you heard it. Everything in that song happened. Usually, I'm the type of artist. I mean, I've had a lot of, you know, party music or just, you know, happy type of music. So this was probably my first really genuine type of storytelling type situation. And funny as it may be, or you know, whatever the case, it happened to me getting my heart broke. Sorry to all my exes out there. I do apologize. I get it. My karma has happened. Okay, it happened, baby.
But as we're going through this, like, why a short film though? Like, I know you always said you always wanted to be in acting, and you've been doing a few things on the side here and there.
Factuals. When I actually listened to it, and this is when, I mean, after I wrote it, after I recorded it, we're just in the studio. My boy Rose, shout out to Rose Hills. He was like, yo, like, so what you gonna do for this video? Like, this video's gonna be dope. And I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna be like a normal video. I don't know if it's gonna be like a a cut dry 2 minute and 50-second type of video just can't be. For the pain that I felt and the emotion that I felt when I was writing this, it couldn't just be something so I wouldn't even call it plain, but so standard.
Yeah.
So ended up kind of thinking about, okay, what do I want to do? And I just wrote it out. Really just wrote it out until I just couldn't write no more. Ended up looking like a script.
Hey, see, it worked out.
Facts.
It worked
Facts.
out. So as we finishing up with a few other ingredients here, we're gonna add in our marshmallow here. So you can see the marshmallow fluff is not necessarily the easiest thing to work with. Probably not the best thing to be eating either. But
Oh, that goddamn sugar. Lord. Hope y'all be going to the dentist.
and then
Y'all be
I'm
going to the
gonna let you add in.
All right.
So we're gonna let this mix up a little bit more, and then we're gonna add in the chocolate chips, and hopefully he don't mess it up.
If it come out lumpy or whatever, it ain't my fault. I'm not a baker. I cook salmon and that's about it. Okay. Oh shit. You gonna cut my finger off.
There's no blade, bro. So go ahead, throw it in.
Ooh, watch this. Know how Salt Bay do it.
Bro, you about to make a mess.
Oh shit. Okay. Fuck around.
So after you throw in all your ingredients here, you're just gonna put it into a bowl, and then you can form it into a ball. It's pretty mixed up pretty well. You can use a little spatula to like clean off the sides, and then you'll form it into a ball. You can use a hand mixer for this. Basically cleaning off the sides, cleaning off the bottom. You're not even paying attention. See, this is why I can't have you. And you want to get it as close to a ball as you can, just because you're going to mix it around in your other ingredients to make it a s'more on the outside. So last thing before we throw it in there, we're going to throw the salt on there. And then as we're mixing it up, just mix it in real quick. It's just a little pinch, just to give it a little flavor, make sure it lasts and don't stick to the bottom of the bowl.
Thanks. You be licking the spoon after everything?
No, I don't lick the spoon at all.
Okay.
Do you want to lick the spoon?
I don't want to lick that spoon.
Now that our s'mores ball is done, we're going to shoot this into the fridge for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to check out the trailer for Shank's Reign. And yeah.
You already know what it is, y'all. My name's Khyran Shank. We are here at the Reed Family Show. This is the new trailer of Shank's Reign. Y'all enjoy. We're going to be back as this thing cools, okay? Bye.
Everybody loves and you stand the rain. Everybody loves and you stand the rain. Everybody loves and you stand the rain.
So, Shank, can you start from the top?
Alright, so now that our s'mores ball has cooled down, we actually just checked out the trailer. Bro, that was dope. Like, I got some questions, because this is intense. Like, I got a little goosebumps. I'm like, oh, hey, like, I want to watch this.
Even with the trailer itself, we couldn't, of course, give out the whole film. I mean, it's a short film for a reason, but
Absolutely.
I still wanted it to have that umph into it. That like, oh, wow. Like, I mean, as you just said yourself, like, it was intense.
The build-up was intense. And
Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah.
as I gather my thoughts, I'm gonna have you help me out with some other ingredients real quick.
Chef Shank in the house, baby. Let's go.
Because I don't trust you rolling the ball.
Wow. So you're gonna give me the baby work? That's crazy.
We got our graham crackers. You can just throw it on there, bro.
Go there.
Just throw it on. Yeah, you're right. So I didn't get mini marshmallows, but you can use regular marshmallows. Go wash your hands again.
Okay.
That's why.
Hold it, y'all. Hold it.
Yep.
Throw it on there.
Yep.
There's a whole bunch of freaking. Fun fact: while we were filming that, I wasn't even supposed to do that. It was the whole scene itself. I can't give away the whole scene. It was just supposed to be me just kind of walking around like with my head and, you know, hand on my head, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
But literally, I channeled that. I channeled that energy and channeled that rage that I felt at the time. And literally, like, the first thing I saw was the refrigerator. And I just, bow, smacked the hell out of it, like the whole refrigerator. The whole refrigerator moved. Like it really moved.
As I'm throwing the ball into, again, the mixture, I'm going to mix it up with my hand. You can also use another spatula or something like that.
Coronavirus. Question, is it weird that I want to, like,
What?
take a bite of that cream cheese over there?
No, that is really weird. Like, why do you want to do that? You can basically just throw it on here if you like, using your hand. Like, personally, I'm gonna get all up in this thing. So once you are done, you can literally throw it in the fridge for a little bit longer. Make sure everything gets on there. Make sure it hardens up. So you are using whipped cream cheese, so you are gonna have to refrigerate this until you're ready to serve. Going back to the film real quick before we get off track. Why the, like, when you ended it, like, it went into therapy, so like, why therapy? Like, that, just the African American community in general doesn't, for me, in my perspective, and like where we grew up at in Indiana, like, therapy is not necessarily one of those things that make everybody goes to. Right. Like, I've been like once, I was like, hey, this is kind of for me, kind of not. Like, I don't know.
Well, I mean, just like you said, I mean, you hit the nail on the head. Within our community, period, it's not a thing. It's not normalized. It's not something that, even our parents and their parents even, thought about. It's either, we take it up with God and call it a day. Even with the situation that happened with me and my ex at the time, actually a prior ex, she actually suggested that we go to therapy. I'm like, for what? Like, we just settle this at, in the crib or whatever, just do whatever. Even though, we were, just fresh out of college, whatever the case may be, but we were, in a very deep moment and situation. So our community needs to normalize like talking things out. I mean, I've been to therapy for a couple sessions. Putting that in this film, like, really shows, okay, like, we need to talk things out. Like, it's okay. And things can get heated in those situations, but it needs to go through. It really helped me dig into that energy, and it showed.
For sure.
It showed in that film.
Like, it showed in the trailer.
Yeah.
Like, come on, bro. Like, all right. So now that we've basically shaped our ball, put our s'more topping on there, basically just needs to go back into the refrigerator, and we about to transfer it to our display dish.
Look at this here.
We're gonna get our ball onto the serving dish. Like I said, I used a spatula, so I didn't get my hands extremely dirty, and we can actually pick it up. And I'm putting it on here so it doesn't stick directly to our dish, and so that we can have some graham crackers on the side of it and serve it up.
Just get the
So
dipping in it.
our s'mores ball is on our display here. I had to throw the Oreos on here real quick. I have never even tried the Oreos. I've only had it with the graham cracker. Graham cracker is fire. I'm gonna let Shank decide what he wants, but yeah, because I'm not gonna force you to do Oreo like I am, because you don't like all that sugar. But like, just in general, bro, like, did you have like any final thoughts like on the trailer and just like the film itself? Because like, for me, I can't wait. Like, I'm ready for it all. Like, I'm about to have my cookies everywhere. Like, but before we dive into that, let's kind of So you literally just go in, bro.
Stick it in there.
Yeah, just stick it in there, bro.
Lord, y'all, if I die from this chocolate, still support my mans, but y'all know who to come after. Okay, mama, I love you.
There's just a lot of different flavors.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Don't double dip.
You're not gonna double dip.
I felt it.
I ain't gonna do it. I almost double dip.
Like, where do you see this film going forward? Like,
Well,
what is your overall end goal now that everything's done and you're only promoting it for the most part now?
Facts. Well, I didn't think this would get done. I mean, throughout the whole COVID-19 stuff, everything from getting setbacks to a lot of different situations that happened, this film almost didn't happen. Point blank, period. It's just a blessing in itself to actually have it all done. So we're actually gonna submit to some film festivals. Of course, when it actually drops, only a certain amount of people can actually see it. That's why we have the website up. We have people signing up for the film, so people who are going to be the first ones to actually watch this piece of history. Of course, we're doing merch and things of that nature for it, but I see myself, doing a lot of other things with this film. I see myself doing even bigger projects like this. I mean, I love music and I love acting. I just love being that extra type of guy. Nonetheless, I'm excited.
So a lot more to come.
Yeah.
So you're gonna join us again for the next project?
Hell yeah!
All right.
Of course.
At least
Of
I got your
course.
approval on something.
Love being on the show. Reed Family Show. Of course, Reed Family Bacon. You do your thing always, bro. You feel me? But again, y'all, my name is Khyran Shank. My new short film, Shank's Reign, is coming. It's coming. August 30th is the release date. If you guys want to watch it, log on to www.shanksreignthemovie.com. Sign your email up, and you will get a special link to view this film. There's only a certain amount of people can watch it. Which I'll make sure to sign up for the website. Sign up from the website. Sign up from using your email, and you guys will be getting a special link the night before, or on the day of release. But we gonna have merch soon. A lot of other special content.
Well, hey, thank you again, Shank. I appreciate you, fam.
Big love, baby.
Hey, so check out Reed Family Bacon if you haven't on all social media. Check out Shank's Reign, and we out.
We out, baby.
Peace, family.